In this video, we'll walk you through how to configure, manage, and filter mobile notifications in the Alibi Vigilant Mobile 2 app. From the home screen, tap the three-dot menu next to your recorder and select the Set option. Next, tap your NVR, then navigate to Allow Alarm Notifications. This is where you'll configure how your mobile device receives notifications. First, make sure Allow Device Alarms is enabled. Then verify that Allow App Notifications is also turned on. From here, you can customize several notification options, including setting notification intervals, creating notification schedules, and enabling a report snapshot. Once your notification settings are configured, return to the home screen and tap the Message tab. When a new notification arrives, simply tap it to open the event snapshot. From there, select Playback to review the recorded video. If needed, you can change the playback quality by selecting the resolution option. In this example, the notification was triggered by ultra motion detection, which detected a vehicle entering the scene. During playback, you also have several additional tools including snapshot capture, video download, playback controls, and general viewing options. Now let's take a closer look at the notification management tools. The message page includes both pre-filters and post-filters, allowing you to control which notifications you receive and how they're displayed. Let's start with pre-filter. Tap the settings icon in the upper right corner. Here you'll find the global notification settings for the app. If notifications are disabled at the operating system level, this menu also provides a shortcut to your phone's notification settings. Within this menu, you'll find several options. Under notification type, you'll see a variety of event types that can generate notifications. We recommend leaving these enabled unless you have a specific reason to disable them. Some options may not apply to your current system, but are included for future compatibility. Under Allow Notifications, you can choose exactly which recorders and cameras will send notifications to your mobile device. Simply select a recorder, then enable or disable individual cameras as needed. You may also notice an audio call option. This feature is currently under development and is not used at this time. Now let's return to the message page. Next to the settings icon is a Read All, which marks all current notifications as read. The post filter allows you to organize notifications that have already been received. For example, if you only want to view notifications from a specific camera, open the post filter, select alarm sources, clear the existing selections, choose the desired camera, and tap Confirm. Your notification list will now display events only from that selected camera. You can also filter notifications by date range, event type, human detection, vehicle detection, and other supported analytics depending on your camera model. These filters make it easy to quickly locate the events you're looking for. You'll also notice the Call and Service tabs within the message page. The Call tab is used with supported devices that offer two-way communication, such as the Alibi Vigilant doorbell. The Service tab is used with remote service. If you enabled remote service for your system, this section provides service-related notifications and communication. Finally, let's look at Quick Disarm. From the home screen, tap the shield icon next to your recorder. Quick Disarm temporarily disables push notifications for that recorder without changing your notification settings. This is especially useful when you're home or working near your cameras and you don't want to receive repeated alerts. Simply tap the shield icon again to re-enable notifications when you're ready. If you have any additional questions, please contact Alibi Technical Support. They'll be happy to assist you. And don't forget to check out our complete library of Alibi Vigilant tutorials to learn more about your surveillance system and its features.